What's going on, everybody? Guess what I'm doing? Compost! 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 I'm so hyped. Score. Complete score. Free compost in the community. I knew there was one place. It had to be just one place, right? These people get no funding, no financial help. All the volunteers are out here working their butts off. Not right now, everybody's gone. I just missed everybody, but it's open. They allowed me to come on in and get what I needed, and I'm so excited. I'm not by any way or form of fashion promoting Harbor Freight. That's just where I got the buckets. So this is a pile of finished compost, and I'm packing it up, y'all. So I'm about to finish this up, but this pile here with all the potato bags on top of it is a pile they have cooking right now. Okay, so, and then they have another pile right there. So best believe next week I'm coming back to get more. They start processing, it looks like, over in these garbage cans, and I think they have like 6 businesses that are involved in giving their trash, their waste, okay, and not trash, but you know what I'm saying, their waste to use to make this compost. And when I tell you, this is nothing like the compost that I bought and spent the arm and a leg. I mean, it's ridiculous how different. Y'all can even just look at it. If you go back and look at my video when I got that delivery of compost versus this right here, honey, look at how beautiful. And it smells good. There's a fragrance. There was nothing in that other compost that I had delivered. I have made up my mind. I probably will not purchase from there again. Okay, this is free. I plan to donate though, because I appreciate free, don't get me wrong, but you know, when you give and give, I mean, when you take and take and take, you need to give some too. You know, you don't just keep taking. So anyway, I'm excited. It's just beautiful. Watch this fall. Watch this fall. Look, didn't even have to. That other stuff I was chopping, breaking my back, it just crumbles. Just crumbles. And it's so fluffy and pretty, y'all. Like, I know you believe me, right? Because you can see what I'm saying. But yeah. So I bought 6 5-gallon buckets with me. And obviously I need more. And but you know, I'm every week for the next couple of months, I'm gonna come by and see what they got. And then I may even volunteer just to see how, you know, I know how to make compost. I'm doing it at my house, but just to see how they do this on a larger scale, you know what I'm saying? And kind of, but I can't wait to show y'all the mulch mound that is out here. I can't wait to show you. So let me get this in the car, and then I'll show you the mulch mound, honey, because I'm never, honey, when I tell you this mound. Okay, so I'll load it up. We're gonna push the button and move on over here so y'all can see this mound of mulch. All right, so I'm driving here, and I just want y'all ready, because it's gonna happen right after this building right here. So right here, I need you to look. Oh, they got some hot tunnels over there. Okay, but in this, I was on the phone with the guy that's over the program. This is all trash, recycled materials, furniture, and building material. And he was like, so if you want to look over in there and see what's in there, feel free to do that and take it. I said, what? And these look like a whole desk, whole chairs, like in pretty good condition, you know what I'm saying? But you know, they're building, they're growing, they're developing their property, and you know how, you know, out with the old, in with the new. But let me show y'all this mulch. Y'all ready? Here it goes. I mean, this is a heck of a mound. Ooh, I got sweat in my eye. Hold on. Okay, here we go. bam, and it just keeps going. It's like, how far back does this thing go, right? I'm so excited. Look at all the wood chips. Now, do you think I'm not ever going to be able to find a wood chip? Look at that madness. And so they have a smaller pile here too, and then gravel. And he said, because I asked him about the rock, there's some rock, and good God Almighty, look at this. Like my car could fit inside of this mound. Y'all can't see how big it is. Oh my good grief. Oh my gosh, look at that goodness. So I gotta come back. I gotta come back for that. Yeah, I gotta come back for that. But there's some gravel, there's some big boulder rock, there's some bricks, some red bricks. And I said, oh, can I grab those too? He said, now listen, now they're a little picky about this, but probably. He said the brick, if it's what I think you're thinking about, probably. So y'all see that brick back there? Let me see if I can get it closer. Y'all see that, pal? Okay. So I was like, man, completely could use that, right? To create some raised beds, some no-dig beds, or whatever I wanted to do. Use it to frame the beds. Here's another pal that I'm looking at too, right here. So it takes the manpower to move it, but if it's free, good grief. So that's all, y'all. That's all I wanted to show y'all. I'm on my way home now, happy as a lark. This compost smells good. It looks good. It's so fresh. It is high quality, really high quality. This program is ran, and this camera is blurry. What's going on? There we go. Ran by a bunch of volunteers. Happens to be a sustainability program through the college here, but they ain't really funding it. So they ask for donations or whatever, but everything is free. So I'm gonna do that because I feel blessed. I feel blessed. And like I said, you got to give back. You got to give back to the world too. You know what I'm saying? You can't just take. So with that being said, I hope y'all are doing great. I love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.